This is a very short N8N automation, but very effective in what it's built to do. The purpose of the system is to generate a hyper-personalized cold email outreach to a qualified lead. So initially, it receives some information about the lead, like the website, the company name, the executive title, the revenue of the company, city, industry. Then the first important step is an AI agent that does deep research through the news and events about the company. It has a comprehensive prompt and it executes different searches online about the company in the past 6 months. The agent has a tool which allows it to search online, which is an HTTP request node that connects to the Google Search API. What it outputs is a summary of a few important aspects like talking points, which is a list of ideas, the date when it was published, and the source of the information. Also, company milestones and the date for each milestone and pain points that the AI agent could find online. Then all the summary is saved in a Google Doc and update a Google Sheet with different information. And then the second important step is another email agent, which will compose the email. This agent has access to an email template stored in a Google Doc as a tool. The email template has placeholders for the personalized information, and the agent is supposed to take in consideration all the information about the company and the executive, all the news that were found, and using the email template, it's supposed to fill in the information and generate also a very personalized nays on the news that were found. So in the end, it outputs two fields. One is the title of the email, and the other field is the content, which is HTML formatted so it can be sent directly to the lead. But I'm first saving it as a draft in my Gmail account. I update the Google Sheet again, and then it sends to me an email that the flow was successful. Afterwards, I can check the draft email that was generated, and if it is the case, I can adjust any information and then send it to the lead. So far from my testing, the personalized mails that are generated were very successful, and I'm using DeepSeek as the brain of the AI agents. That's it from my side.